Diane and Denmark here, rah rah rah, and happy Monday morning. You know me, I love Mondays, a fresh start. I'm not going to sit down today, and I hope when you're watching my video, along with any other videos when you watch, that you are dressed to shoes. When you watch them, don't be kind of lying in bed. Get up, get out, get moving. But I am dressed to shoes, got my mint jeans on today, so I'm feeling minty fresh. I'm just checking with you briefly today because I am still on a vacation, or should I call it staycation, because of course we're all staying home this year. And I will be back to posting my regular videos very soon, but hold on, let me just show you that the squirrel is here. If that isn't a squirrel moment, I don't know what is. Anyway, the squirrel is here, he's having his breakfast, and I'm going to tell you, hold on, let me turn around the camera again. Isn't he a sweetie? I'll put a wee picture of him up there eating his breakfast. He and his mates come every morning for breakfast. Anyway, I was just going to check in with you to make sure that you're still going with your routines and your weekly home blessing hour once a week, whether you do it all in one go or spread it over the week. I've actually got my cleaning caddy ready to go. I've just been wiping off my little cheat sheet and I'm going to work through that. I think today I'm probably going to put on my cordless headphones because I'm in the middle of a really good audio book, and that really it makes me feel like I'm doing a wee spot of reading and getting my cleaning done. But the other thing I wanted to say is don't worry if you are on vacation at the moment, or the kids are still off school, or if things are a bit tough for you right now. Don't worry too much about the zone cleaning. The main thing is that you do your morning routine and your evening routine, and yes, you've heard me saying it 3,000 times before, but those are the things that are really going to keep things ticking along, and please don't let those go, especially during vacation, or as I said, if the schools are off right now. Don't let those go. You've really got to change your perspective here, because I know a lot of you think, oh, the routines are hard work. The routines make life easier for us. They're less work in the long run, and we just kind of achieve more on a daily basis because we're just doing the little footwork there, and it will free up your day so you can actually enjoy, whether it's vacation or the kids being with you at home, instead of that kind of, oh, you never really get your day started. Get your routines done, get them checked off. Don't worry too much about the time, but get them done, because that way you can really enjoy what the day has to offer. So what I'm going to do today, as I said, is I'm going to do my blessing hour. And for those of you who are interested in doing a wee spot of zone work, we were in zones 5 and 1 last week. It was one of those split weeks going from July to August. And this week we're moving into zone 2, the kitchen. And on my blog, I'm still posting on my blog, by the way, even if not making YouTube videos, you can still find me on Instagram and on the blog. I've been posting about the zone work that I've been doing. I have my list that this is what I got done last month, and I'm just going to take a wee look at that. And the next few days I'll maybe just do 5 minutes here and there. But as I said, main thing is you do your morning routine, your evening routine, weekly home blessing hour, and if anything else happens, it's all well and good. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy watching this squirrel. You can hear him almost knocking himself out there. And one other thing, make sure that you're taking time for yourself every day, whether that is listening to an audiobook. Maybe you can get outside. We've got rain on the way, but I'm able to sit outside in our wee pavilion. And when I'm finished my weekly home blessing hour today, I'm going to have a nice cup of tea, because my bestie V, because she was away for a few days holiday with her family on the Danish island of Bornholm, which is in the Baltic. I'm thinking, have I made videos there? If I have, it'll be in my Denmark playlist. Anyway, she brought me some tea back from her travels, and it's called Ekodales Te. which means the Valley of Echoes. So I'm going to, well, once I've done my weekend blessing hour today, I'm going to brew a cup of tea and I'm going to sit outside and smell the flowers. So anyway, live long, prosper, may the Danish hoogie be with you, and I shall see you when I see you, probably within about the next 10 days. I will be back to my regular video. So anyway, that's it. Bye.